and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a super quick and super simple recipe. All we're going to need are bananas and soy milk. So let's get started. We're going to be using 2 bananas and 250 ml of soy milk. Pretty simple stuff. So all we need to do is chop our bananas up into pieces, put them in the blender and add the milk. And this only serves once, so if you need to do more, just add more milk and more bananas obviously. You can also add some vegan ice cream to make it like a bit thicker milkshake, which is always nice, especially now the weather's getting nicer. So nice and simple, chop the bananas. Next we're just going to add the milk. And there we go, it's as simple as that. Let's take a look. Well, it smells delicious. Oh. Now if it looks like you've got bits in, keep going for a bit longer, or you can just sieve it and see if all the bits come out that way. And there we have it, ready to taste. Nice and thick. Very banana-y, of course. It's delicious. And that's it. As quick and simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.